Good day overall in Tesla, up around $10 or 3% from the Thursday's close in here. Where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Well, you can see that we have this yellow trend line drawn. Now, last week we did breach down below this. We said, hey, we're going to leave this on here for a resistance. And then this past week, we actually breached and closed back above that. So we thought, okay, we're going to see if we respect this as a resistance. Well, we're actually closing above it right now. So basically that 325 area, that's kind of where this yellow trend line is. That's going to be our first support in here. Anything below that, it is going to be that 9-day EMA currently trading at 317, 318, that whole area. And also on the daily chart, our 200 and our 9-day EMA are matching up perfectly right there at that 317, 318 area. So that is going to be a major area for support for us in here if that 325 is not respected. Now, as far as resistance wise, the first major resistance in here is going to be the 341s. Anything above that is going to be 360. And then obviously this fib level up here at the 23.6% is going to be at that $400 mark. Now, the reason that you had that big $10 pop in here in Tesla overall on Friday was because we do have earnings coming up on Wednesday. So earnings are going to report in here Wednesday after market. You have right around a $24 expected move by this coming Friday. So that's going to contain that earnings cycle in here. So options premium is juiced in here. Options volume is super, super high, super liquid in here. So you can basically kind of do what anything you want in here overall on any strikes, just because the volume is so high in here, and everybody's kind of getting in on Tesla to play this either way. But the big numbers in here are going to be that 341, 325, and then that 318 area, respectively, as we work our way into earnings. Now, IV rank in here is only at 15, so IV has been sucked out just a little bit, although you do have a pretty decent expected move by this Friday. If you go out to next Friday, right around a $29 expected move. You go all the way out to your August monthlies, right around a $35 expected move is what everybody is pricing in currently for that August monthly cycle expiration. So we'll see what happens in here. The big number again is going to be 325, and we're going to see if this yellow trend line is going to become a support or a resistance. Anything below that 318, anything above it 341. We'll see how earnings reports here this week for Tesla. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.